Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, you're in the right place. You're here for another Mommy and the Littles video. Seen by the title that this is a spring/summer haul that I did for Taylor recently. Today, actually, after Tiana's soccer game, we went into Walmart. I don't know if you guys know, but I totally love Walmart. Like, I love Target too, probably even more, but I love Walmart too because Walmart is really stepping their game up, especially in the area of kids clothes. They carry their own Carter's line, just like Target has their own Carter's line, which is the Child of Mine line, and the pieces are so cute. And the best thing about everything at Target and Walmart is the prices cannot be beat. You don't need any coupon codes, you don't need any sales, because the prices cannot be beat. They cannot be matched. If you guys haven't already seen, here is Tiana's spring dress haul. It was so adorable. You guys really loved it. I actually got Tiana 8 dresses for 40 bucks. Beautiful spring and summer dresses. And guess what? I went back for Taylor, and it wasn't even intentional because I've been trying to figure out a way for when is Old Navy gonna have 40% off sale, when is Children's Place gonna let you use your Children's Place cash. I have been shopping around like crazy, but the prices still have not beat what I've seen at Walmart. And my little girls, they look cute in it. They're not rough. I can't say like, oh, the clothes don't hold up to rough and tough kids. My kids aren't like rough, tough, tumble, flumble, jump off type of building kids, so I wouldn't know that part, but I wash them. They wear their Walmart clothes often, and everything always holds up. There are things that I had from Walmart for Tiana from like the Granimals, I think, called line, that I had passed down to Taylor, to my niece, Zuri, and all of it is holding up a-okay. So I actually did this haul for Tiana and for Taylor, and I'm not gonna ramble anymore. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked. First up is this beautiful nautical print, and if you guys remember, it's just like the dress that Tiana had. I don't know if I can insert a clip. If I can, I will. If I can't, I won't. But this is just like the dress I got Tiana, so they'll actually be having a matching dress day. And sometimes it's hard to find matching outfits when you have a child that's in 3T, toddler type clothes, and a newborn, well, an infant. So this is actually in 6 to 9 months. Everything in this haul is 6 to 9 months because Taylor will actually be 6 months in May. So this will be perfect for spring and summer for her. Next up is this adorable romper. It's actually from the Carter's Child of Mine line. Like I said, great Carter stuff. And the only real difference I've noticed about the Carters that comes from Walmart and Target is, or Ross or some place like that, is it doesn't have this might have came with a sweater if this came from the actual Carter store. But the quality, the prints, the color, they're all just as beautiful. I don't need the sweater. And this was only $6. So you got a $5 dress over there with the Nautica print, and then you got this for $6. Next up is this, and I love corals and mints, and I just thought this was so cute. It's actually a 2-piece. This is actually just the diaper cover, or the lollipop as I call it. It's actually by their brand Health-Tex, I think. But this is actually one of Walmart's, one of their brands. And it's a 6 to 9 month, really cute, soft cotton, really pretty. Taylor has like a big old belly, so sometimes I like to get her things that are really comfy. It won't be too restricting on her, you know, her belly. So yeah, I thought these little dresses were so adorable. 6 to 9 months. So that was $6. So now we're at like whatever number's on the screen, because I'm not gonna keep the count. Devin picked this one out. He thought this was really cute, and I did too. It's actually a yellow and gray print. It's just like the one that we just saw. This is actually the back of it, you guys. Sorry. It's actually the Health-Tex print, Health-Tex design, and it came with just the little diaper cover, just like the other one. And this one actually was also $6. Next up is from their Carter's line, the Child of Mine line, and I think maybe the theme for this year might be like blues and corals, or maybe that was the theme last year because I remember seeing this colors last year. But this is a beautiful coral print. It's actually striped. It came with the small diaper cover. It has a little blue detailing on the front. It's a 6 to 9 months. Beautiful little dress. I cannot wait for her to wear this. This might be one of the first ones I'll pull out the bunch. Next up, another one of their Carter's Child of Mine outfits. yellow. And the thing is, I thought this was such a, it's already a beautiful dress with the yellow, but you guys look at this cute little blue tulle at the bottom, and it actually has like a floral yellow print. Has the yellow diaper cover, and then a little bit of the blue detailing up by the neck. But I thought this was so cute. It was such a nice contrast of colors. I really wanted this one. This is actually really special because actually Tiana has the exact same dress, but hers has a pink bottom. Hers was also $5, so this was actually $5 from Carter's, and it just has a gray and white chevron print and a pastel yellow bottom, and then there's just the diaper cover right there. So Tiana and Taylor will actually get to wear matching dresses. So all of these items were not even 50 bucks. And honestly, like I tell you guys all the time, I'm a mom on a budget. I'm always looking for a great sale. So I got actually her 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 outfits for less than $50, which is almost as great as me getting Tiana 8 dresses for $40. But these are great spring and summer dresses. All she'll need now is just some great onesies and some sandals and things, and a couple pair of shorts, and we will be ready for summer. So I cannot beat Walmart. I'll be going back there definitely for things like spring and summer where the clothes are just not that serious. She doesn't need to have on a full, especially Taylor, she's just a little baby. I just love it. And the thing is, if you don't want to, maybe this would be a great place for you to pick up something for a friend or a family member. I actually went to 2 Walmarts just to make sure they had them in other Walmarts. They're at all local Walmarts. I cross-checked for you guys. So if you like any of the designs I got, or you're looking for something at these great price points like $5 and $6, make sure you guys go over there right away. As always, oh wait, one more thing. I actually found these, and they actually have these shoes every year, I think, because Tiana had a pair when she was little. But I've actually found these on the clearance rack for $2. I wanted to get them in every size. $2, and they're normally actually $9.97, but they were $2. So these are so cute for Taylor, and I said, yeah, I'm getting those. So yeah, so I actually got all of that for $50. Cannot beat it. As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys tomorrow for another day of Theta. Bye bye.